Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see class 8 rational numbers exercise 1.1 question number 9 onwards. Okay, question number 9 is compare the following pairs of rational numbers. Pairs, what do you mean pair numbers? Pair means two numbers. Pair means two. So you are given two rational numbers. We have to compare them and find out which is greater and which is smaller. So first one is minus 11 by 5 and the second one is minus 21 by 8. To compare the rational numbers, the denominators must be same. If they are different, we have to find LCM and make them same. So take the denominators 5 and 8. Now we should divide 5 and 8 both by the same number. 5 and 8, they don't come in any of the same table or they don't have a common factor. So what do? We multiply them to find LCM. 5 8s are 40. So LCM is 40. Now we take the first rational number minus 11 by 5 and change this 5 into 40. For that we should check 5 into what number gives you 40. It is in the LCM itself. 5 into 8 gives 40. So multiply denominator by 8 and numerator also by 8. Then the given value of the rational number is not changed. We cannot just multiply only numerator or only denominator. Whatever you do with the denominator, the same thing has to be done on the numerator also to get equivalent rational numbers. So minus 88 by 40. Now take the second number minus 21 by 8. And 8 into what is 40? 8 5s are 40. Numerator also multiply by 5. When you multiply, we get 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Negative sign by 5 8s are 40. Now we have to compare minus 88 by 40 and minus 105 by 40. Which is greater? Both are negative, then the smaller number is the greater number, because when you see the number line, both are negative. So both come on the left hand side. Here minus 88 and then after that we get minus 105. So on a number line, the number on the right hand side is greater. Which is on the right hand side? Minus 88. Or just to have an idea, always among the negative numbers, the smaller negative number is the greater. But what is the original number? We have written equivalent rational number. Minus 88 by 40 is what? What is the given number in the question? Minus 11 by 5 is greater than minus 105 is minus 21 by 8. So this is the comparison of first two numbers. And we'll say second sum now. Second sum is 3 by minus 4 and minus 1 by 2. Now before you go into the sum, first we have to check whether they are in standard form. There is a denominator is negative. So in the standard form of a rational number, the denominator cannot be negative. We take it to the numerator. When there is a negative sign in the denominator, while finding LCM and all, it is little confusing. So what we do, take it to the numerator. So it becomes minus 3 by 4, comma minus 1 by 2. Whether that negative sign is in the numerator or the denominator, the value does not change, because plus divided by minus is also minus, minus divided by plus is also minus. When you divide two different signs, it is always negative. So that negative sign can be, if it is in the denominator, we put it in the numerator for our convenience. Now take LCM for 4 and 2. Both are even numbers, both are divisible by two tables. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Once you get 1 and 2, they don't have a common factor. So our division is over. Multiply them to find LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So your LCM is 4. Now take the first rational number minus 3 by 4. Change this 4 into 4. What do? We multiply by 1. Multiply numerator also by 1. It is minus 3 by 4. Take the second rational number. 2 into what gives 4? 2 2s are 4. Multiply numerator also by 2. So minus 2 by 4. Now compare them. It is minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 4. Which is greater? Again, both are negative. So smaller number is the greater. Smaller rational number, negative number is the greater number. Now what is the original number? Minus 3 by 4 is minus 3 by 4 only, is less than minus 2 by 4 is nothing but minus 2 by 4. The original number is minus 1 by 2. So this is the comparison of the second sum. And coming to the third sum, third one is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Again, the denominators are different. So what we do, we have to find LCM for, it's already in standard form. There is no negative sign in the denominator. So let us find LCM for 3 and 5. Again, they don't have a common factor 3 and 5. Both are prime numbers. So multiply them. What are prime numbers? I'm just reminding you, which is not divisible by any other number, which comes in only one table and three table. Three doesn't come in any of the other tables. Same way 5 also. It is there in only one table and 5 table. That means what? The factors are only 1 and 5. Factors of 3 are only 1 and 3. Now 3 5s are 50. It is the LCM, least common multiple. What is LCM? Least common multiple, the full form. Now take the first rational number 2 by 3. 3 into what is 15? It is there LCM. 3 into what number? Into 5. So multiply numerator also by 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Take the next number 4 by 5. 5 into what is 15? 3. So multiply numerator also by 3. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Now 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. When you compare, both are positive. It is easy to compare. Which is greater? Come on. 10 or 12? 12 is greater. So put a greater sign. Now what is the original rational number of 10 by 15? It is 2 by 3. Is less than 12 by 15. What is the given fraction? It is 4 by 5. That's all. The comparison is done. 2 by 3 is less than 4 by 5. This is about comparison or comparing rational numbers. So if the denominators are different, you need to find LCM before you compare them. Now, question number 10, we have to arrange the given rational numbers in ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? Is from smaller to greater. Descending order is from greater to smaller. So, to arrange from smaller to greater, again the denominators must be same. So, here all the denominators are different. We have to find least common multiple, which is LCM. And before that, we should check whether they are in standard form. Minus 5 by 12. Standard form means there should not be negative sign in the denominator. So there is no negative sign. That is correct. And then 5 and 12, they don't have a common factor. So first is in standard form. Second, minus 11 by 8. There is no negative sign in the denominator. And 11 by 8, there is no common factor. That is, we cannot cancel them further. Look at this. Minus 15 by 24. If you are thorough with the tables, 15 and 24 both are multiples of 3. That is, both come in 3 tables. So we cancel by 3 tables. Till 3 tables till you get 15. 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. This simplification is very important, children, because the greater numbers, they become smaller, very smaller. So it is easy for us to do the sum in calculation. So minus 15 by 24 has become 5 by 8. So it is easy to find LCM and multiply, divide for all the calculations. It is easier when you simplify it if possible. But here minus 7 by minus 9. Is it possible? They don't have a common factor. But there is a negative sign in the denominator. So it has to go to the numerator. Otherwise minus divided by minus. When you divide to same signs, it is plus. So minus 7 by minus 9 becomes 7 by 9. Both the minus signs, they get cancelled, or minus divided by minus is plus. Then 12 by 36. If you are thorough with 12 tables, both have the common factor 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 threes are 36. So now we rewrite the numbers once again. It is minus 5 by 12, minus 11 by 8. Third number has become minus 5 by 8. And the fourth is 7 by 9. Minus by minus is plus. And this has become 1 by 3. Now we have to find LCM for 12. Both the 8s we can take 1, 8, 9 and 3. So find LCM for 12, 8, 9 and 3. So first we'll take all the 4 numbers are not divisible by any same number. So let us take any 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers we'll take? We'll take 12, 9 and 3. All 3 are multiples of 3. So let us divide by 3. So till 12 comes 3 tables, 3 4s are 12. 8 we cannot divide by 3, 8 as it is. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now again all the 4 numbers not possible. Take any 2 numbers, 4 and 8 divisible by 4. So divide 4 and 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 3 we cannot divide by 4. So 3 as it is and 1 as it is. Now 1, 2, 3 and 1. They don't have any common factor. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. They don't come in any of the same table. So division is over. Now to find LCM, multiply all the numbers. All these numbers you have to multiply. So division is over. Multiply all the numbers to find the LCM. It is 3 4s are 12. And that 12 has to be multiplied with the next number. So leave out 1 and 1. We'll multiply with the other numbers. 3 4s are 12. Because when you multiply by 1, we get the same number. 12 2s are 24. And 24 into 3. 24 into 3. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 72 is the LCM. So, LCM is 72. You should be very careful here. 3 4s are 12, that 12 into next number 2, 24, that answer 24 into the next number 3. And when you multiply by 1, we get the same number. Now, take the first rational number minus 5 by 12. 12 into what gives you 72. We have to find till 12 times table till you get 72. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. If it goes on like that, it is 12 6 are 72. Multiply numerator also by 6. So 5 6 are minus 30. By 12 6 are 72. Take the second rational number minus 11 by 8. 8 into what is 70? The 72 we must get. So 8 9s are 72. Multiply numerator also by 9. Minus 99 by 72. Next rational number is minus 5 by 8. 8 into what is 72? It is 8 into, and this is also 8. So same 9. Third number is also denominator, same 8. So multiply by the 9 again. Minus 5 9s are 45. 8 9s are 72. Take the next number 7 by 9, 8 into 9. Now 9 into 8 gives you 72. Multiply numerator also by 8. 7 8s are 56, 9 8s are 72. And the last number is 1 by 3. 3 into what is 72 now? 3. Just look at the LCM here. When you multiply LCM itself, we will get all these multiples. 24 into 3. So 3 into what is 72? 3 into 24. So just 3 into 24 is 72. Multiply numerator also by 24. So we get 24 by 72. That's all. All the rational numbers have the same denominator. Now see, 30 by 72, 99 by 72, 45 by 72, 56 by 72, 24 by 72. Now it is easy to compare. You just compare the numerators and we can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending. We have negative and positive both. We have 2 positive numbers and 3 negative numbers. So circle the negative numbers just for us to avoid confusion, which is positive, which is negative. Now ascending is from smaller to greater. What is ascending? Ascending is from smaller to greater. We have negative and positive, which is smaller. Negative integers are smaller. So we have to arrange the negative rational numbers first. We have minus 30, minus 99, minus 45, which is smaller. The greater number is the smaller. So minus 99 is the first smaller number. Next is minus 30 and minus 45. The greater is smaller. So this is the second smallest. And minus 30 is the third smallest. So all the negative rational numbers are over. Now we'll come to positive. Among the positive, the smaller is smaller and the greater is greater. So this is the fourth smaller and this is the fifth smaller. That means this is the greater number. Now we'll write the numbers now. First one, minus 99 by 72. But what is the original rational number for that? We have changed into minus 99 by 72. But what is the number given? Minus 11 by 8 is the first, the smallest rational number. And the second one is minus 45 by 72. Which is the number given for that? Minus 5 by 8. And the third one is minus 30 and the given number is minus 5 by 12. And the fourth one is 24 by 72, which is 1 by 3. And fifth one, 56 by 72, which is nothing, 7 by 9. So this is in ascending order. Once you arrange in ascending order, descending order is just from back to front. Descending order is from greater to smaller. This is smaller to greater. So you are come from back to front, last number to first number. That will be arranged in descending order. So it becomes 7 by 9, comma 1 by 3, minus 5 by 12, minus 5 by 8 and minus 11 by 8. That's all. The numbers are arranged in descending order. So this is arranging the numbers in ascending order and in descending order. Okay children, thank you. We'll see the rest of the sums in the next video. Thank you.